Want to prevent others from seeing or opening apps on your iPhone? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to lock and hide apps on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To lock and/or hide an app on iPhone, hold down the icon of the app you want to lock or hide. Then select Require Face ID. To lock the app, tap Require Face ID. To hide the app as well, select Hide and Require Face ID. If you just lock an app, when you go to open it, you'll need to use Face ID to unlock it. If you're unable to use Face ID, after 2 attempts, it will give you the option to enter your device's passcode instead. If you choose to hide the app and require Face ID, the app will be removed from your home screen and will be added to a new folder in your app library labeled as Hidden. You'll need to use Face ID or enter your device's passcode in order to open the Hidden Apps folder and launch any app you've chosen to hide. That's all it takes to lock and/or hide apps on your iPhone. Want to hide text messages on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.